开始。
Hi, welcome to EC420. We're going to introduce our final project. Hi, I'm Joe.
I'm Ben. Our project name is called Halftoning image. This is a very strange terminology. If you don't know halftoning, you can pull out a newspaper or magazines. The image on newspaper and magazines are usually printed out with small dots, black and white dots. It's not a consistent paper. And this image, which made by small black and white dots, are called halftoning image. Basically, our app will implement a real-time halftonings by our serious code involved in C and gel code. So as you can see, here's the welcome page of the whole app, and Joy will introduce more about that.
So the advantage of using the halftoning is that in many conditions, we can only represent the pixel by several, like 1 bit. And then we can, so now each pixel can only be represented by black or white. So halftoning can help us to make this goal.
And so in terms of this app, we have an introduction page to tell people what is a halftoning. The first button will link to a general introduction and tell people what is halftoning is. So it has a sample image you can look into here. And then now in terms of the two algorithms that I can implement the halftonings, I also included two introduction page. One method is called dithering matrix, and here's the introduction for the whole algorithm, and here's a sample image. And then the second method is called error diffusion. The error diffusion is shown in here. This is the simple algorithm block diagram. This is our text view of the whole project. Then we can see the real-time image implementation right now.
So I'll show the applications we did. For the error diffusion, yeah, so this is our application for error diffusion. So basically, we implement the halftoning on the RGB channel, which is slightly different from the original halftoning, which is implemented on the grayscale. So you can see that there are a lot of small bubbles here. That's the effect of using error diffusion, and the processed image looks pretty partially similar to our original image. And for the dithering matrix, we can choose the dithering matrix size. So here we choose 2 by 2 dithering matrix, and you can see that there are a lot of contouring effect. So the edge is still obvious and it's not that clear. So what we do is we enlarge the dithering matrix, and we use 3 by 3 dithering matrix. Wait a minute. Yeah, here. We can see that the effect is much better now because the matrix is larger and they have more threshold, so which means that we'll have more gray levels. And also 4 by 4, a lot better, right? All right, so we also implemented the 2D low pass and high pass filter. I'll show you. So the 2D low pass filter is that basically it blurring the original image a little bit. So we use a box of 9 coefficients, which are all ones. So we'll average each box. And for the high pass filter, you can see this helps you to detect edges, because edges are often high frequency component of the image, and if you emphasize the high frequency part, you will see the edge here. And you can see clearly your fingers and your head, which looks good. Okay, so that's basically our project.
Yeah, and this is the app we built. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully you got a good time in EC420, and good luck on your project. Thank you guys.